Hey you guys, it's your girl Plus Size Beauty and I'm back with another video, and today I'm doing a cooking video. I'm just making ground turkey tacos, something real simple for the kids. And I'm going to show you how to make this meat taste flavorful, because I know a lot of people be like, oh, I can't get into the ground turkey. It might be how it's seasoned, so just stay tuned and I'm going to show you how I season my meat. Okay, so right now I'm still cooking my meat down. As you can see, it's cooking on down. I do have a few pieces that were frozen, but no worry. It's gonna cook all together and it'll be fine. I'm just gonna cook my meat down. Usually if it was thawed, I would throw in my garlic, my minced garlic, but it's not thawed. So I'm gonna wait till I get it all browned and like this. And then I'm going to add my seasonings. So I'll be back once this is melted down. But all I did is put this meat in my cast iron skillet and start cooking it. That's all I'm doing right now, is just cooking the meat. Okay, so now as you can see, my meat is browning. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add in my minced garlic that I have right here. And I got this Great Value minced garlic from Walmart. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in first. There you go. Okay, and I have my sister assisting me. If you want to put your face in the camera, you can, but I'm not. I'm looking bogus right now. Okay, so we just going to go ahead and use the rest of this. It's okay. Right, then I'm gonna add in, don't put my face in.
I'm not.
Okay, I'm gonna add in some adobo with I don't know how to pronounce that word, so I think it's cumin. I'm not sure, but okay. So I'm gonna add this in. I gotta open it, y'all. Sorry. Okay, just add a little bit of that. I'm gonna also go in with some red pepper. I got some onion powder, and I'm going with some red crushed pepper. So this is my onion powder. Sorry, it's a little dirty. And this is the crushed red pepper. I'm cooking this at my mama's house, so I'm just grabbing seasonings as I go. So now I'm adding in. It's kind of hard, so I got to shake a little bit. Just a little bit of red pepper, and I'm going to go in with my onion powder. And then I'm going to give this a mix. I'm going to try to get the rest of that minced garlic. Actually, you know what? I think I have some in the cabinet. No, this minced onion. Well, we're going to put a little minced onion in place of the minced garlic. This is how you get that good flavor. You can't just add just the taco seasoning. You got to really get your seasonings together. The only for real salt I added was the adobo, because it's salt in the taco seasoning. It doesn't really matter what brand of taco seasoning you use. I'm using the store brand from my local store, Country Market. Focus, Krista, focus. So look at that meat. It's looking really, really good. It's browning up really good. I just want to get the last few pieces of pink meat cooked. And then we'll be ready to add our taco seasoning. Okay, so now I'm back and it's smelling so good, y'all. And I haven't even put the taco seasoning in yet. So now I'm going to go ahead and do just that. Krista, come on. I need you. Yeah, hold on. Sorry for the noise in the background. That's my daughter doing stuff she has no business doing. I know y'all can relate. So this is the taco seasoning I'm using. Again, it's just my local grocery store's brand, Essential Everyday. You can use whatever brand you want. but this is the brand I'm using. I'm adding that. Okay, and then let me go ahead and put some water in here. Okay. Right? And then I'm just gonna mix that around. Ooh, it smells and looks so good. Hopefully I don't have to add any more. Sometimes it's not enough, depending on what brand. And this is like I said, off brand. Sometimes this doesn't have enough flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste my meat real quick in a second to see, and if I need more seasoning, then I'll add it. And I'll decide if I'm going to add more taco seasoning or adobo. Because, I mean, that's a seasoning that's used, too, for dishes like this. So I'll be back in a second. Okay, sorry about that, y'all. I'm back, and I am going to add some more taco seasoning. Because, like I said, it tastes a little bland. I have an off brand, so that's why sometimes it doesn't have as much salt or flavor in just one packet. So now I'm adding this other pack. This is totally up to you. I suggest if you have like high blood pressure or diabetes and you know, they just use the one pack, because that would be perfect for y'all. Still has flavor, but just not enough. Like, not enough salt to me. And I'm not even a big salt person, but it just needed some more seasoning to me. So that would be perfect for you all who's trying to watch their salt intake. You know. So, like, if my mom was eating that, that would be perfect for her, because she can't have it too salty. Okay. Okay, so as you can see now, this is my meat. I'm not adding any more water, because I think that's probably another reason I added a little bit too much water. So now it's just perfect. Look at that. And I still have my fire going. I have it on 2, so that's kind of like medium low. I'm getting ready to turn it down to low. And I'm going to give it a little taste. And then we're going to get ready and eat. Should I do a mukbang? I don't know. We'll see.